Uttarakhand is now going to become the first state in the country to implement UCC.
Uttarakhand tabled a bill today, the UCC bill. That's the Uniform Civil Code.
Okay, so what is UCC and is it really required and how this is going to impact the people? Well, Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami introduced this bill on February 6th. Since then, there has been a lot of controversies going around it. The Uniform Civil Code bill proposes a common law on marriage, divorce and inheritance for all the citizens irrespective of the religion in the state, excluding the scheduled tribes. Currently, it is based on the religion. Each religions follow their own set of rules. Hindus follow their personal laws, whereas Islam has its own. This bill seeks to deal with the most of that and replace it with a single, uniform law regulating people's personal life. According to the bill, if you are in a live-in relationship, the Uttarakhand government wants you to register it. However, if you fail to inform them, then after a month, you might face a 3-month prison or a fine up to 10,000 rupees. This is because recently we came across many violent relationship crimes like Shraddha Walker and Meera Road case. So the government wants more control on this. On the other side, the mindset of today's generation is when Miyan Biwi Razi to kya karega Kazi doesn't apply here. According to them, they should be able to live together without any government approval or registration. Children born of live-in relationship will be considered legitimate and women who are left behind by their partners are entitled to maintenance. Secondly, polygamy is banned. Means you cannot have multiple marriages regardless of your religion until you are divorced. The UCC bill criminalized triple talaq and halala nikah. Okay, so as per Muslim law, a man cannot remarry his wife after a divorce unless the wife married to another man consummates the marriage and gets divorced from the second husband. Thirdly, you are not allowed to marry someone under the legal marriage age, which is 18 for women and 21 for males. This will also impose a complete ban on child marriage. Finally, the bill excludes tribal communities from its provisions, stating that nothing contained in this code shall apply to the members of scheduled tribes. In India, the UCC has caused controversy. While some argue that diversity should exist, others argue uniformity should be prioritized. Why should two citizens of the same country obey different laws? That's all I have for you now. What's your thoughts regarding this bill? Let us know in the comments below.